Hi, I'm Ayan,
And I'm Sid.
and you're watching Every Car.
So, Ayan, what do we have in store today?
Today, we have fun car under $4,000, so a pretty tight budget. It has to be 2000 or newer, as in the year 2000 or newer, and has to have done under 150,000 miles. So, like, this is like for people that don't have big budgets, like poor people like us.
Yeah.
But before that, Sid, is there something you want to say?
Yeah. So we actually recorded another video in which we did two constraints, but due to some technical difficulties, we lost one of the constraints. But we still think that we have enough footage in the other constraints that we can present it. So let's go watch that first and then come back to this video. Roll the tape. So for the next constraint, we have to find a fast sedan. It has to be under $75,000 and has to have done under 70,000 miles. And it can be any fast sedan.
Oh, dude, if I find this is a pretty big budget.
How much is our budget again? 75. Oh, $75,000. Yeah. Oh, I have too much money to play with. What am I looking at? All these small cars, huh?
I have too much money to play. Dude, you're not gonna think of this. You're not going to think of this.
Like, these are some really, really good cars, but like, they're just above the budget.
So the first car I have is an S65.
Interesting. Interesting.
So
Good
it's a
find.
20
Good find. Good find. Good find. Twin turbo V12, not bad.
and then an 2018 Audi S8.
Nice. Good find.
In my opinion, and I know I might get a lot of shit for this looks nicer than the newer Audis, in my opinion. Newer Audi S8.
Um, Arguable.
The last car is a Tesla
Model S.
P100D
No, not bad too for the price.
with ludicrous mode and everything.
Yeah, it's a good find.
Do we have any of the same cars?
Nope. So the first car I have is an RS3.
Oh, so we did choose an Audi, but mine was a
Yeah.
lot more. But dude, this spec, this green. Whoa.
Yeah, I like the spec a lot.
Yeah.
And plus it's an RS. So
I wouldn't. I don't know if I'd buy if I'd spec the car green though.
So the next one is a
Ooh,
2018
an M4.
M4. I couldn't find a competition. So
Yeah.
I just stuck with this. It's a 2018 highly optioned. So 90 grand MSRP.
That's not too bad, for
Yeah.
3 years.
And it's just done like 16,500 kilometers or miles.
Yeah, dude, that's not too bad.
And next is this 2017 CTSV.
Oh, so using my own tricks, huh?
Yeah, well.
But dude, this car does look really good.
Yeah, it looks really.
But dude,
different.
This has a rebuilt title.
What?
It has a rebuilt.
I didn't see that.
So.
Yeah, but still. It's got pretty good mods and stuff, so.
Yeah, exactly. Who do you think won this one?
Again, I don't know. We both have a good selection of.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys found that as interesting as we found it. But we're gonna have pinned comments down below for even the previous constraints as well as the new constraints, and we're gonna see what you guys think was the best and who won. We're gonna.
So don't forget to go vote down on who won which constraint. and so that we
But
can decide who won.
and while you're down there, might as well just subscribe.
Yeah,
That's
just
always
subscribe. Just don't leave it.
nice.
Don't leave it
Button.
hanging. Don't leave the button hanging.
Make that like red color, gray.
Yeah.
It's always nice to do that.
Yes. So, guys, you might find parts of the video being blurred. So, if you're wondering why, it's just that we want to build that curiosity because we don't know what cars we're finding. So, we want you guys to find out the cars when we are finding and have sort of the same reaction. So, the constraints for a fun car under $4,000, it should be the year 2000 or newer, and it should have done under 150,000 miles, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's get on with it. Pretty sure I should be able to find something under this. It's too ambitious, but still, I'm gonna go for it.
Bro, this is going to be you're making
Ooh, ooh, oh man, I found such a.
You found a car.
Uh huh. I didn't know you
Then
can get. Oh, but what was the constraint for the year? 2000. No, very good, very good. Lots of years left.
Bro, you're going to love me for this car.
Oh God.
The car, man, you're going to love me. Oh, dude.
Whoa, dude, no way. I don't know if you're gonna think of this, but like this is actually a really good deal. Oh no. We said
Oh, no.
under 150,000 miles, right? Crap.
Wait, how many does you have? How many does it have?
170,000 miles.
I feel like we're very dumb people.
Yeah, I feel like we're just very dumb people when we're trying to find cars.
Like, I'm sure like there are going to be like people that are just like, dude, search for this. This is such an amazing car. Like,
Exactly. If you don't like the way I talk, what am I on your mind? If you
I
like
don't.
the way I talk, finish your gasoline. We fight and we argue.
Can we not sing?
Oh yeah, you get demonetized. You got copyright issues.
We're not monetized in the first place. How do you expect to get demonetized?
You get copyright issues.
Yeah. Someone will file a court again. Like, I don't know what they do.
Yeah, someone will file a court. Yes. They file a court against us. Yes. Whole court will come for us. Correct.
If I find, I will lose my. I'll lose. I'll leave.
Leave, bro. Leave now only.
Bro, what?
What way?
I just found some. Who want? Who want?
You had your.
Who?
I was thinking about that.
Okay, guys, so we're done finding the cars and now we're gonna reveal them. So I'm going first. So
Audi
this is my
A3.
first car. Yeah.
Not bad.
S line. Very important. Very
But wait,
important.
this is $4,500.
Yeah, our budget was $5,000, right?
Our budget was $5,000.
Yeah. About $4,000.
Oh my God, you dumb man. Okay, anyways, yeah. Dude, you found a Dodge Charger?
2018.
Nah, this is like some fake ad.
Yeah. But that doesn't count. Even if it's fake or real, that doesn't matter. It's there, no, that's all.
Dude, what is happening to you today?
This is slightly damaged, but it's an R class.
An R class. You found an R class.
Mm-hmm. It's slightly damaged, but yeah, I still found an R class.
You mean slightly damaged by, you meant that the whole light, the tail lights are gone.
And let's just gloss over that, you know. But this is the car I was most proud about. I found a Jag. I found a Jag.
You found a Jag?
Yeah, I found a Jag for under $5,000. And that too, S-Type, bro. We live in that cool life, bro. S-Type. S-Type
Yeah,
Jag.
but it's $5,000, so it doesn't count.
Bro, bloody, I thought it was $5,000, bro. What the hell? Cheap. All your fault.
All my fault.
Yeah.
Sure.
See, it's got everything. It's got moonroof. It's got multi-zone climate control, premium seat, parking, premium feel. I think this should be counted, bro. I think I automatically won. I found a Jag.
That is above the budget.
Bargain. Bargain. You can get it on, bro.
Okay, my turn. Okay, so now I'm going to show my cars. I found a smart car.
Did you watch Stradman's video right now?
Yeah, I did.
That's where you got the idea from, right?
No, but like I was looking through all the brands and I was like, smart car? Dude, for sure. Who doesn't want a smart car? 3,000, and I was literally
$10 under.
$10 under. But I don't think it's a fun car. I found
S430.
Exactly.
Interesting.
For $3,000.
It's an interesting car.
Dude, luxury for that cheap?
But I mean, is it really fun? I mean, I know it's the 430, but like fun.
I mean, yeah, that's true. But allow it, because like you can have fun in luxury, like relax. That's also fun.
Dude, you're changing the whole point of this thing. that doesn't count.
Hey, I'm sure you can have fun with an S-Class, okay?
Yeah, okay, fine. I'm not too sure about. You found a Crown Vic? What was this? Was this like a former police car or something? Yeah, dude, a Crown Vic for sure. A V8 rear-wheel drive. I mean, dude, you can do burnouts all day in that thing.
Exactly, dude. I found an electric Fiat.
Oh, Fiat 500e.
Yeah.
How the hell did he manage to do that?
Bro, I was just seeing if there's any abarts. Okay. I realized.
Yeah, even I was looking for abarts.
But then I found this and I was like, an electric Fiat? I think this round I might have
had the upper hand, yes.
Slightly.
A little bit. Okay, so we just got done with the first round and let's move on to the second round. So we thought we'll try something different with this round. So for this round, we have to find baller cars, and they have to be under $25,000. They have to be the year 2000 or newer, and they have to be under 200,000 miles. I think it really depends on us and you if we consider the cars we've chosen as baller or not. But we'll try our best to find unique cars.
It's not going to be a Toyota.
Yeah, it's not going to be a Toyota.
Anyways, yeah, let's start.
Let's start. Yes.
Dude, I already feel like the budget is too tight. Dude, what? Dude, by the way, are salvage cars allowed?
No. Oh, what's the point? You're not gonna drive them, right?
Okay, fine.
Bro. It can't get better than this, bro. It really can't get better than this. Oh, this is going into the bucket.
Dude, you've got to be kidding me.
Let me look for a Subaru.
That's not a baller car.
It is, bro. What do you think?
It's
Soccer Mom's car, bro. It's a Soccer Mom baller car.
I think you're doing drugs.
Definitely. I might have found another amazing car. All I'm asking for you to be is under the mileage. Oh, beauty, coffee under undi. Okay, good. I have 6 cars now.
Okay, guys. So like we're done finding the cars. Let's see if he can redeem himself, which I think he can't. So the first car I have is the S63.
Not bad. Not bad.
This is a 10 out of 10 baller car. You have to.
Yeah, definitely.
Only
This is
problem I
like
have with this car is that the buy it now price is
26.
26,000, but the current bill is 16,600.
Okay.
So I think
It's
I
fine.
need
It's
to
fine. I think I'll count it.
okay,
But it's
but
like
I think I
this
need to
car is
lower
like
it.
a drug dealer's first choice. You know?
That has a lot of money to pay for gas. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, the next one is a Bentley.
Hmm.
So it's a Bentley or not,
I was gonna find one, but then you said no, I can't. So I said, didn't go look for one.
but it's got a scratch on it.
Ah, it's okay. We'll gloss over that.
I just think like this has been used really well. Like the seats,
Hmm.
they look kind of like someone like really blocked their ass over there, man.
Yeah.
And then, but yeah, this was pretty good
Hmm.
for under 20, and then a BMW 7 Series.
Ah, good.
Yeah, and this has got like the rear entertainment stuff that you wouldn't use because this technology is
Yeah, fine.
kinda-
Yeah, great flashy car, 7 Series.
but yeah, those are my cars.
Yeah, I guess I'm agreeing with the S Class and the Bentley.
You don't agree with the 7 Series?
Yeah, the 7 Series is okay, I guess. Yeah, 7 Series is also a good car.
Okay, fair enough. Let's see what you've got.
Okay, guys, so Ayan just shared all of his cars. So now let's see what I've got. So, yeah, first car, I found an Aston. Oh, this is crashed. I didn't know it was crashed. It did say it was crashed. It just said it's a bad engine. No, but it's not crashed. It's not crashed. He just took the engine out for like some work, but it's a proper car. It's not crashed.
Oh, no, dude, bad engine. It says bad engine.
Yeah, but it's not salvage, right?
Not have. Nah, no. I can't.
Okay. You know, I have a lot of options. Next,
You.
I found a 2016 BMW 740 Li. 740i. It's not the long wheelbase, but yeah.
I found the long wheelbase. That's why. But you know,
Yeah, but
for
this
the
is so
newer
much
tech,
newer.
yeah, for the newer tech,
Like, I feel like this is a proper baller car. 7 Series, that too black. Like, this is a proper car. Proper
I'll give
baller
you
car.
this one. I'll give you this one.
So, yeah, this is one of, I don't know if it's got like the rear entertainment package and stuff, but yeah, I feel like it's a good deal. Next, I found another Jag.
A Jag.
I found a 2019 Jag for under $25,000. But like, this is also kind of baller, right? Like a Jag.
I mean,
You know, if you're a Jag owner, you can pretty much do anything. Like anything. You know, you guys will really get the reference if you watch Top Gear. You can do anything in a Jag. Jag is like one of the most baller cars you can get. Come on.
fine. Okay, fine. I'll give you that.
It's a Jag.
It's a Jag.
Next, from the Maserati Quattroporte. Cool. Next, found a 2006 Maserati Grand Sport.
Dude, you know, I think you might be coming back with this one.
You know, I tried finding like a a Grand Cabrio or something, but I just couldn't at the price point. It was too difficult. There was none.
Dude, you're like these cars, I proper have to give it to you.
And then I guess a Porsche, you know.
A Cayenne base.
I mean, it's still a Porsche, but like my main cars are the BMW and the Jag and the Aston.
The Aston I don't count.
Okay, at least the BMW and the Jag. Come on.
I think the Maserati is. I think that's been. If I'm being honest, I think that's
the Quattroporte.
Yeah, dude. If you say I have a Maserati, people think.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Like people who look at you like, whoa, okay, he has a Maserati.
Dude, Maseratis are horrible new cars, but they're amazing used cars.
Yeah, it's a well-known fact. I think I should, I think I should win because of the BMW and the Maserati and the Jag.
I think I think I had a fair fight, but then after I saw your cars, I think for the fact that you found a 2018 BMW 7 Series plus a Maserati Quattroporte, and keeping in mind that we're trying to find baller cars, so someone like people don't care like people care about the brand name and
yeah,
like
exactly.
The fact that you like Maserati's topped it all off for me.
Yeah.
I think we should still keep the comments down below for people to vote. Yeah, today we did 3 constraints. Anyways,
but I guess you guys should get to decide the final results. So.
And while you're down there, do the wishy-washy.
The usual thing that everyone says.
No, we say wishy-washy.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. This was our second video on our channel, and I think it was a successful video. And today we did 3 constraints, so it was quite successful too. And be sure to check out our first video if you haven't already watched it, and do consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And yeah, share this with other people. As told in the previous video too, you should encourage more family-friendly content like this. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.